In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook inbox view. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook into the search bar and open the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, so you land in your inbox. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top of the page and select the View option on the toolbar. From the menu that appears, choose View Settings. This opens your Mail Settings panel. If you don't see the layout options right away, make sure Mail is selected in the left sidebar so you're working with your inbox settings. You're now in the Layout section where you can customize how everything looks and feels. Begin with text size and spacing. Here you can adjust how dense your message list appears. If you want to see more emails at once, choose a more compact setting. If you prefer readability and a little breathing room, go with a more relaxed option. Pick what's easiest on your eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time in your inbox. Next, move to message organization. This is where you decide how your message list is structured. Choose the organization style that makes the most sense for you, whether you prefer messages grouped in conversations or listed individually, and how new messages should appear. The goal is to make scanning and prioritizing your email faster. Now, look at the reading pane options. Start with what you want to see in the reading pane, such as previews and other details that help you understand an email at a glance. Then choose how you want the reading pane to be laid out. You can place it at the bottom of the screen, fill the screen for a distraction-free view, or use pop-out only if you like reading messages in separate windows. If you work on a smaller display, the bottom or pop-out views can free up space. If you have a wide monitor, filling the screen often works best. After that, select your message list format. This controls how each email entry is displayed. Decide whether you want the sender's name to appear first or the subject to come first. If you recognize people faster than topics, choose Sender first. If subject lines guide your priorities, select Subject first. When you're happy with your choices, click Save to apply the changes. You can return to these settings anytime to fine-tune your view as your needs evolve. That's it. Your Outlook inbox view is now customized to work better for you.